This is a
京城
Dax. It belonged to my late father, and it has a lot of emotional value to me. And we're gonna restore it.
When I say we, I mean Sam is going to restore it. But first we had to clean the garage a little, and we found some surprises.
Oh my god, Sam. Is dat de sleutel?
This is a sound of speed.
Sam? Wat hè? Oh yeah. Oh well. Look at us.
First we discovered 15 years of sitting in a garage is not great for your fuel tank.
We also discovered my father had bought a motorcycle lift, so now we have one in red and one in blue. Thanks, Dad.
Really?
And we also discovered there was no clutch. By design. It has a semi-automatic gearbox.
When we tried to start it the first time, we saw sparks. Sparks are never good. In this case, it was because someone cut off the connector to the spark plug.
We still have no idea how that happened.
Finally, the tires were flat. Luckily, they were still in pretty good condition, considering they have been on there for 20 years.
Sam did an amazing job replacing the spark plug cable, the battery, the fuel lines and the fuel tank. You could tell he was having fun.
Ashley, baby, you make me feel so alive.
And we had some moral support.
Look, doggy.
To fit the new fuel tank, I had to use a rubber hammer to carefully push it into place. Unfortunately, the rubber protection around the tank made my day much harder than it needed to be.
We put the seat back into place, making sure we had fun doing so.
Hey, darling.
I rolled it outside to try and get it running.
We would very much like to share what that sounded like.
Not going according to plan, but you wanna.
I had to remove the exhaust while working on the fuel lines and the tank, which is the reason it sounds like this. The reason it's still not starting at this point is because there's not enough fuel going into the engine.
Which is caused by the carburetor being clogged to hell. There was no way to fix it, so we decided to buy a new one.
I put it all together again, minus the exhaust. You can hear how I finally got it running, but it only idled. Touching the throttle killed the bike instantly.
Meanwhile, let's talk about my father for a moment, and more specifically, one of the greatest stories I have ever heard about him. He was expelled from school, and he decided to go out with a bang. And that bang was driving through the school hallways with his little 50cc scooter. Depending on who told the story, it was either the reason he got expelled from school, or he was expelled first and decided to have some fun. Regardless, I think you can guess what I want to do with this little Dax sooner or later.
Finally, the carburetor arrived, and we were confronted with a whole new challenge.
Despite our best efforts, we couldn't get the old one out. The screws were just too tight.
And we discovered our cleaning methods had a few downsides.
What? How?
So our plans had to be delayed yet another week. With all the shit I'm planning to do, one of us is gonna get arrested,
Again.
and the other one is getting a cardiac arrest. So, unfortunately, last minute update, the cylinder head is a little bit busted. Very busted, actually. And we can't get these loose. So unfortunately, this is not gonna drive this weekend, and we're gonna have to delay it. This little motherfucker here just gave us a new surprise. We can't even get the spark plug out. But will we get this thing running?
The answer might surprise you.
But I'm not gonna be alone because
I got a new toy.